This is parliamentary dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute, taken from Sri Kailash Chandra shorthand transcription number 492. Ready. Sir, I should like to deal with some of the recommendations of the committee, particularly their observations in regard to closer coordination between the central government and the state governments. The question of making health a central subject was discussed in the country's constituent assembly, and the members did not accept the suggestion made at that time that health should be made a central subject. It is primarily state subject, but it is also in the concurrent list. But, sir, we feel that this was reflected this morning in the answers of the Minister of Health to a short notice question on cholera in Odisha, that there is not sufficient coordination between the central government and the state governments. Cholera has broken out in Odisha. The Odisha government has not asked for the help of the central government, and the central government on its own initiative has not offered any help to the Odisha government. That was brought out in the answers which she gave this morning. Sir, if we have to maintain a fairly high standard of health in our country, it is necessary that there should be a much closer contact between the state governments and the central government, and my suggestion in regard to the recommendations of this committee is that whatever might be the constitutional position, there should be a central government health advisor at every state capital to advise the state government to find out the difficulties of the state government and to seek remedial measures if it is within the power of the central government. The committee makes a suggestion about regional directorates that may not be feasible, but certainly it is possible for government to appoint an advisor to represent it in the state capital. Para. The second suggestion that I would like to make in regard to the main recommendations of the committee is that whatever might be the difficulties, we must make a start with regard to the evolution of our national health scheme on the basis of the scheme which is in force in England. In England, any person who makes a contribution of 5 shillings a week can get all the benefits under the National Health Scheme. That is not the rate at which we can get comparable services in our hospitals. A question may be realized that a national health scheme may not be financially feasible in India. Stop.